As one of 50/50 joint venture in China, Dongfeng Cummins Engine Company, DCEC, was established in the year of 1996, producing Cummins B, C, D, L, Z series mechanical and electronic engines, covering 3.9 to 13 liters engines with the power from 20 to 600 kilowatts. DCEC engines are widely used in energy, maritime, automotive, construction machinery, water pump set, and railways applications. DCEC pump-driven engine power range covering from 36 kilowatts to 410 kilowatts. Emission standard can reach up to EU Stage 3.
Hi everyone, this is Haley from PumpMac, part of EMAC Group. In this video, I will introduce DCEC pump drive engine. This is 4BT 3.9 series. This is 6BT 5.9 series. This is 6ATA 8.3 series. This is 6LTAA 8.9 series. This is QSB 3.9 series. This is QSB 5.9 series. This is QSC 13 series. The standard DCEC pump drive engine comes with following accessories: fuel pump, electronic governor, fuel supply pump, fuel filter, fuel water separator, turbocharger, high pressure common rail, flywheel housing, flywheel, starter motor, oil cooler, oil filter, charging alternator, air filter, heat exchanger, electric control unit. Based on standard DCEC pump drive engine, PumpMac provides abundant optional items, mainly including cooling system, engine control panel, NFPA standard engine control panel, air filter, muffler, DPF, output shaft, air intake shutoff valve, clutch, DC contactor, jacket water preheater, gearbox, and other customized accessories. With a professional and experienced engineering team, PumpMac also provides customized modification services for all of our customers, such as flywheel and flywheel housing type and size, turbocharger direction, various speed control, etc. We also can provide explosion-proof modification for oil and gas industry customers' requirement, and we have capability to satisfy most of customized requirements on our engine and engine power pack.
With affordable Chinese-level prices, PumpMac provide flexible, premium, pump-driven power pack for all kinds of applications, including irrigation, fire protection, ships, mining, metallurgy, and the petroleum. PumpMac's ranges of products are water pump drive engine and accessories, PTO, advanced gearbox, pump head, water pump set, mobile pump trailer, drainage emergency vehicle. With years of experience in power pack supplying, our well-trained operation team can quickly understand and respond to customer needs. According to the working environment and requirement of our customers, we will provide the most cost-effective solutions and help customer to avoid mismatching problems, helping customers to improve efficiency and reduce communication costs.
Thank you for your time with us. Welcome to contact PumpMac at any time via email, telephone, WhatsApp, WeChat, Facebook, LinkedIn, or YouTube. For more details about our company products and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage, pumpmac.com.